Okay, today we're going to show you how to go into your quarantine on Office365.com. So to go to your URL, you would go to protection.office.com/quarantine. So the whole URL is protection.office.com/quarantine. And then at this point, you will go directly into the quarantine, and here we can manipulate and do some items. All right, so let's say this particular email down here, the very first one, it says it's phishing, but we might not believe it's phishing. So one way we can do is highlight it, and now we can actually preview the message by clicking on here. And I know for a fact this is a legitimate email. So in this case, I am going to unblock it. So if I click this one, it'll actually delete the email. And if I want to download the message, I can click here. But what I really want to do is want to release the message and make sure it doesn't get blocked next time. So I'm going to click release message, and I'm going to choose report message to Microsoft for analysis so they can double check it in the future, and release messages to all recipients. Sometimes you would have an option to actually unblock it permanently, but it doesn't show it for here for whatever reason. So we want to release the message. So the email has been released, and now that message will be in your Outlook in a minute or so. So let's take a look at this one right here, the very next one. Preview message. And to me, this is basically a scam or something like that. It doesn't look legitimate to me, so I'm going to exit out of here. And this time I'm going to remove from quarantine and delete it. Okay. Now, if you decide that you're not going to delete the email, you can just leave it in the quarantine, and in 30 days it'll automatically be deleted. So that's all it is. Thank you.